right. In the morning, afternoon, and evening, everybody over on the Twitch side. We jumped into this Carvana trade because Carvana typically has a gap move going into earnings. We've seen it certainly the last four earnings, and we've seen it again today. This is why I take both sides of the trade, right? And the reason why is because we don't know which way the market's going to react to Carvana's announcement. It could be a gap up like it was last earnings, or it could be a gap down like it was here. So we put on both sides of the trade, not worrying about which way it's going to gap, only looking for that volatile move to occur, which, like I said, Carvana usually has a high probability of doing that. So as you can see, we had a nice gap down. We went in the money. It took a while this morning for Carvana to update their pricing for whatever reason. I feel like that can happen sometimes on earnings announcements, but it took a hot second for this to update. Finally did, so closed it out at $1.65 for my fill for a nice win there. Locking in a 75-cent profit off of a 90-cent risk, so not a bad risk versus reward. Happy to take the win, and we'll look for probably a new setup today. As always, my fellow Jedis, may the trade be with you. If you have multiple contracts, you can consider leaving on a runner. Just be aware of your capital risk. It is stalling at 300, so if it starts to bounce up that level, you might be a little mindful of your put strikes that they don't go back out of the money. But otherwise, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to you next.